Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the drawing winning for the giveaway for the Red Birthday Challenge giveaway. So I have a plethora of stuff in front of me, and I'm just going to show them real quick, just in case. I have a playlist, and I just want to say, like, the diversity of the cards, gorgeous, just like all the different stuff. And I'm not doing it justice, but everybody has their own individual video. Everybody got their stuff in time, even if the postmaster sent it late. So, you know, I'm blessed by all of these beautiful cards that people sent me. I mean, gorgeous. And I'm so glad that dropping stuff because I'm trying to move fast, did this Red Birthday Challenge, because when I say gorgeous, just the creativity and the diversity, and people did such an awesome job. And then on top of that, I got, people did the iCads and making me want to make some iCads, and just beautiful stuff. And then I got tags. So please check out everybody in the playlist. And I'm going through this fast in case I missed somebody. So then they did the ATCs. I love all of them. So I'm just, flipping through them real quick. But everybody has their own videos. 28 videos up. So you can watch them and subscribe to their channels, the Instagram, YouTube, because they did an awesome job. I love everything. And my family's like, how are you going to choose? I'm like, thank God I don't have to choose based on talent, because very difficult to do that. Extremely difficult if I had to choose anybody, because everybody, created in their style, and they made the red and black look totally different. That concept of it. And again, you can see more close-ups on the videos, so check out their channels. So in the playlist, and I'm just flipping, no particular order. So that's them. And I was so shocked, but it filled a whole my Rolodex. I'm gonna put them up here because I want to flip through them real quick. So I know you guys, okay, get to the point. I want to know if I won. So let me move this out the way. And what I'm going to do is I'll have everybody's name up here and their channels and all of their points added up. And so I'm trying to think if you want me to show all the in here. And of course I got a red bowl. And so everybody got that numbers on a slip, how many entries you got in there. They are all in here. My grandson's outside today. Normally he's always my winter picker. He picks them for me, but it's 68 degrees in the middle of February, so he's outside. Which I can't blame him. So I decided I am going to do 2 giveaways. Now the second giveaway is going to be different than the first. It's just going to be a couple dies in the Boston folder. Just a surprise giveaway, because I'm doing the Tim Holtz one. I already showed you in the other video what that was. So the first one is going to be the first winner, and then the second will be the second surprise winner. And I will show you those winnings in just a second. So let's pick the first person. I'm looking away. Let's see. The first winner is number 17. And that is Noelle Herzig. All right, Noelle, the Butterfly Phone Band. She won the first giveaway. And let's see who is the surprise one. Number 24. Tina Scrap and Happy. So Tina, you get the second one. And Noelle, you get the first. And of course, I have you guys' addresses. I will probably send them out midweek, because tomorrow I'm going to be traveling, and then Monday I'll be all the way through through Tuesday. So then Wednesday or Thursday I'll be able to mail it out, and you will have your gifts. So I want to say to everybody, I mean, I have truly been blessed by everybody's entry. I love every single thing I got. I mean, people just knocked it out the box. Every time I couldn't think it could go a different direction, it did. So again, so Noelle, she wins the Tim Holtz items, and Tina will be winning a couple dies and some embossing folders. So hold on one second, I'll show you that. So real quickly, here's my cards, and I'm going to flip with a couple of them a little loose. I don't want to flip too hard, but I mean, just delicious yumminess. That's all I can say. Delicious yumminess. That's a couple that I made. And then this one's a little bit too big. I tried to cut it down, but it's still a little bit too tall because it couldn't be more than 4 inches. So that one won't fit on it, but I will still keep it with the rest of mine. And so this is what Noelle wins. Is the Tim Holtz. That. Boom. And there will be some other handmade items in there as well. And then for Tina, I don't feel like getting up again. Some of her stuff is on the other side. Stencil, a punch, bow bunny, some foam hearts, some embellishments. The bow bunny stamp, momentous stamp, and I'm doing it fast because it's a surprise. Stipendous, LDR, some dies, that graphic 45, 12 by 12. So it's a couple more things. Some embossing folder too and stuff, but it's behind me. But anyway, so I want to tell everybody thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Thank you so much for participating. I will send you guys your items out this week, and I will be having hidden giveaways on my videos as well. So stay tuned, and God bless, and take care. Bye bye.